Hey everyone, I'd like to share a tip with you to help with your home practice, specifically with your squat. Squatting is probably the most important functional movement we have, and we should keep doing it our whole life. If you have a hard time keeping your heels down when you squat, one little trick is to grab something with some weight. So you can grab a dumbbell, you can grab like a heavy pitcher of water, or if you have a small pet nearby, you can grab Chico. And what I'm going to do is get my feet about shoulder width or so, big toes parallel. I'm going to squat deeply and reach my arms between my knees and hold Chico. So a little bit of weight gives me some resistance to keep my heels down and my spine nice and long. So keep working on your squat. Make sure you've got something with some weight around you, small pet, weight, sandbag, something like that. And I guarantee it's going to help. Have a great day.